Researchers are discovering more and more links between chronic diseases, inflammation, and superfoods that may prevent or protect against undesirable fatty acid oxidation, a condition that occurs when the oxygen in your body reacts with fats in your blood and your cells. Do you know that there are 13 superfoods that are amazing for your kidneys? Yes, you heard it right. So continue watching this video as we go over the 13 superfoods that are amazing for your kidneys.
Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it.
Number 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in flavor, but that's not the only reason they're perfect for the kidney diet. These tasty vegetables are also an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin A, as well as vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers are good for you because they contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects against certain cancers. Eat red bell peppers raw with dip as a snack or appetizer, or mix them into tuna or chicken salad. You can also roast peppers and use them as a topping on sandwiches or lettuce salads. Chop them for an omelet, add them to kebabs on the grill, or stuff peppers with ground turkey or beef and bake them for the main dish. Number 2. Cabbage. A cruciferous vegetable, cabbage is packed full of phytochemicals, chemical compounds in fruit or vegetables that break up free radicals before they can do damage. Many phytochemicals are also known to protect against and fight cancer, as well as foster cardiovascular health. High in vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, cabbage is also a good source of vitamin B6 and folic acid. Low in potassium and low in cost, it's an affordable addition to the kidney diet. Raw cabbage makes a great addition to the dialysis diet as coleslaw or topping for fish tacos. You can steam, microwave, or boil it, add butter or cream cheese plus pepper or caraway seeds, and serve it as a side dish. Cabbage rolls made with turkey are a great appetizer, and if you're feeling fancy, you can stuff a cabbage with ground meat and bake it for a flavorful meal bursting with nutrients. Number 3. Cauliflower. Another cruciferous vegetable, cauliflower is high in vitamin C and a good source of folate and fiber. It is also packed full of indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates, compounds that help the liver neutralize toxic substances that could damage cell membranes and DNA. Serve it raw as crudités with dip, add it to a salad, or steam or boil it and season with spices such as turmeric, curry powder, pepper, and herb seasonings. You can also make a non-dairy white sauce, pour it over the cauliflower, and bake until tender. You can pair cauliflower with pasta or even mash cauliflower as a dialysis diet replacement for mashed potatoes. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic helps prevent plaque from forming on your teeth, lowers cholesterol, and reduces inflammation. Buy it fresh, bottled, minced, or powdered and add it to meat, vegetable, or pasta dishes. You can also roast a head of garlic and spread it on bread. Garlic provides a delicious flavor, and garlic powder is a great substitute for garlic salt in the dialysis diet. Number 5. Onions. Onion, a member of the allium family and a basic flavoring in many cooked dishes, contains sulfur compounds which gives it its pungent smell. But in addition to making some people cry, onions are also rich in flavonoids, especially quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that works to reduce heart disease and protects against many cancers. Onions are low in potassium and a good source of chromium, a mineral that helps with carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Try using a variety of onions including whites, brown, red, and others. Eat onions raw on burgers, sandwiches, and salads, cook them and use as caramelized topping, or fry them into onion rings. Include onions in recipes such as Italian beef with peppers and onions. Number 6. Apples. Apples have been known to reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, protect against heart disease, and reduce the risk of cancer. High in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, an apple a day may really keep the doctor away. Good news for people with kidney disease who already have their share of doctor visits. This kidney diet winner can be paired with a previous good-for-you food, onions, to make a unique apple-onion omelet. With versatile apples, you can eat them raw, make baked apples, stew apples, make them into apple sauce, or drink them as apple juice or apple cider. Number 7. Cranberries. These tangy, tasty berries are known to protect against bladder infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall. In a similar way, cranberries also protect the stomach from ulcer-causing bacteria and protect the lining of the gastrointestinal or GI tract, promoting GI health. Cranberries have also been shown to protect against cancer and heart disease. Cranberry juice and cranberry sauce are the most frequently consumed cranberry products. You can also add dried cranberries to salads or have them as a snack. Number 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidant phytonutrients called anthocyanidins, which give them their blue color, and they are bursting with natural compounds that reduce inflammation. Blueberries are a good source of vitamin C, manganese, a compound that keeps your bones healthy, and fiber. They may also help protect the brain from some of the effects of aging. Antioxidants in blueberries and other berries have been shown to help slow bone breakdown in rats made to be low in estrogen. Buy blueberries fresh, frozen, or dried and try them in cereal or topped with whipped topping in a fruit smoothie. You can also drink blueberry juice. Number 9. Raspberries. Raspberries contain a phytonutrient called ellagic acid, which helps neutralize free radicals in the body to prevent cell damage. They also contain flavonoids called anthocyanins, antioxidants that give them their red color. An excellent source of manganese, vitamin C, fiber, and folate, a B vitamin, raspberries may have properties that inhibit cancer cell growth and tumor formation. Add raspberries to cereal or puree and sweeten them to make a dessert sauce or add them to a vinaigrette dressing. Number 10. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in 2 types of phenols, anthocyanins and ellagitannins. Anthocyanins are what give strawberries their red color and are powerful antioxidants that help protect body cell structures and prevent oxidative damage. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese and a very good source of fiber. They are known to provide heart protection as well as anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory components. Eat strawberries with cereal, smoothies, and salad, or slice and serve them fresh or top them with whipped topping. If you'd like a more elaborate dessert, you can make strawberry pudding or sorbet, or puree and sweeten them to serve as a dessert. Number 11. Cherries. Cherries have been shown to reduce inflammation when eaten daily. They are also packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect the heart. Eat fresh cherries as a snack or make a cherry sauce to serve with lamb or pork. Cherry juice is another way to consume this tasty food. Number 12. Red grapes. Red grapes contain several flavonoids that give them their reddish color. Flavonoids help protect against heart disease by preventing oxidation and reducing the formation of blood clots. Resveratrol, a flavonoid found in grapes, may also stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax muscle cells and the blood vessels to increase blood flow. These flavonoids also provide protection against cancer and prevent inflammation. Buy grapes with red or purple skin since their anthocyanin content is higher. Freeze them to eat as a snack or to quench the thirst for those on a fluid restriction for the dialysis diet. Add grapes to a fruit salad or chicken salad. Try a unique kidney diet recipe for turkey kebabs that feature grapes. You can also drink them as grape juice. Number 13. Egg whites. Egg whites are pure protein and provide the highest quality of protein with all the essential amino acids. For the kidney diet, egg whites provide protein with less phosphorus than other protein sources such as egg yolk or meats. Buy powdered, fresh, or pasteurized egg whites. Make an omelet or egg white sandwich. Add pasteurized egg whites to smoothies or shakes. Make deviled egg snacks or add whites of hard-boiled eggs to tuna salad or garden salad to add extra protein. Which of these 13 superfoods is your favorite and least favorite? Share your answers in the comments section.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.